this is the lecture number 8 of chapter determinants of class 12th, and we have discussing exercise 4.5, and I think we have done in the last lecture the question number 3 of 4.5. In that question number 3, we have to prove that, or rather you have to learn this formula as there's A into adjoint of A into adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Now, as this left hand middle term and the right hand term, you have to prove them equal. It is, you can easily prove it. First of all, find the adjoint of A. Then you need the determinant of A. And so, first of all, find the determinant of A. You know it. This into this minus this into this is equal to 0. Now, to find the adjoint of A, you have to find the cofactors of each element of the matrix A. This cofactors. ये आ गया आपका. Now the adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor, you know it. Transpose of the cofactor, this. Now you have to find this term, then this term and this. So this term will be equal to A into adjoint of A. A adjoint of A. This into this plus this into 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 this. ये multiply करने पर you are getting 0. So the value of A into adjoint of A in this case is 0. So naturally this की value, इसकी value भी 0 ही आएगी. Now adjoint A into A, so this is the adjoint A, we have already find out, into A. So this into this plus this into this into this plus this into this into this plus this into this and this into this plus this into this. You know the multiplication of the matrices. So add and also 0. Now in the third term, adjoint determinant of A into I, determinant of A is 0, identity is this, so this is 0, 0, 0 and 0. I think I've discussed this question in the last lecture also. I've just repeated it. Now in the question number 12, you have to prove the reversal law for the inverse of a matrix. Now again in this also the calculation part become lengthy because you have to find the inverse of a matrix 3 times. So you can do it all. Somewhat the calculation is big. So what you have to do in this, you have to first of all find the matrix A with the matrix B, then you have to find the inverse of that. In right hand side you have to find the inverse of B, then you have to find the inverse of A. So first of all you are finding the inverse of A. So the matrix A is given. To find the inverse, you know it. First of all you find the determinant and it should not be equal to 0. ये 0 के equal नहीं है. Then you find the co-adjoint find करते हैं. You know the formula for the A inverse, 1 upon determinant to adjoint of A. So cofactors, you know to find the cofactors easily, you know it. If you don't know to find the adjoint of a matrix or a determinant matrix, never come to this exercise. Before this, you must have a good hand to find the cofactors, adjoint and the inverse of a matrix. Otherwise, it is useless. So adjoint of A will be transpose of the cofactor. ये आ गया आपका. तो A inverse 1 upon determinant into adjoint of A. Determinant इसका ये आता है adjoint this. Now for B, B, this is B. You can write it here B. Determinant of B. So determinant of B will be this into this minus this into this. 0 के equal नहीं है. Again you find the cofactors of each element. Adjoint of B, you know the cofactor का transpose. Inverse, B inverse 1 upon minus determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this is A inverse, this is B inverse. Now you have to find the A into B inverse. तो पहले यहाँ पर आप A into B का product करिए. A और B का product. So this is A into B. A into B. So you know how to find the product of the matrices. Again I am repeating it. If you don't know how to do the product of the matrices, don't come to this exercise. You first of all do the product of the matrices in the previous lectures. So A into B, we have got this. आपका इसका inverse पता करने के लिए इसका determinant find करना पड़ेगा. तो this into this minus this into this is comes out to be minus 2. Now find the cofactors. हर एक एलिमेंट का कोफैक्टर you know it. इसका कॉलम और रो डिलीट करके इसका कॉलम और रो डिलीट प्लस माइनस का साइन you have to consider. So A into B का inverse will be 1 upon determinant of A into B into adjoint of AB. Adjoint of AB. तो AB का adjoint कैसे निकलता है? कोफैक्टर का ट्रांसपोज 6 माइनस 87 इसको ट्रांसपोज मैंने पहले कर दिया है A इनवर्स. तो B into A इनवर्स बी इनवर्स इंटू ए इनवर्स, तो यहाँ पर फाइंड करिए आप बी इनवर्स इंटू ए इनवर्स, बी इनवर्स इंटू ए इनवर्स, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसके इक्वल आ रहा है. यू नो हाउ टू फाइंड द इनवर्स in the last lecture or before that lecture we have discussed to find the inverse. You should, I am again repeating it, you should have a good hand on it to find the inverse of a matrix. Now after this we have the question number 13, and it is an important question. Something is I will tell you some important thing in it and the meaning of this question. Now what is in this question, half part you have already done in the matrices and the remaining part we have to do it here. So in question number 13, matrix A is given and you have to show that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. This you have done in the matrices. Now hence what is important here, hence find A inverse. Hence find A inverse means you don't have to use the adjoint of the matrix to find the A inverse. You have to use this equation to find the inverse of A. This is the important thing here. So first of all you prove that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. For a square means a into a. So a into a you find the product of the matrix. Then a square, this left hand side, a square minus 5a plus 7i, a square minus 5a plus 7i, a square minus 5a plus 7i 0 के इक्वल आ गया. This is 0. This we have to prove. यहाँ तक तो आपको ऑलरेडी आता ही है मैट्रिसेस में. Now see the main step here. Whenever you have to find the inverse of a matrix by using the equation, what you have to do, you have to multiply both side by A inverse. ये main thing है यहाँ पर. This is the important part here. Whenever you have to find the inverse of a matrix by using the equation, you have to multiply both side by A inverse. So a square is a into a inverse से यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, यहाँ पर भी a inverse से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, यहाँ पर भी a inverse से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0. The next is a into a inverse is equal to I. You know it. किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को उसके इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, आइडेंटिटी आता है. तो a into a inverse is I. a into a inverse is I. I into a inverse is a inverse. तो आपको a inverse पता करना है. तो राइट हैंड साइड में जाके ये प्लस का हो जाएगा, ये माइनस. Now you know the value of I 1 0 0 1. You know the value of a. Subtract it and divide by 7. So this is the inverse of a matrix by using the equation. Many questions are there in this exercise, 2 or 3 more questions based on this, and it is important questions. Now in question number 14, a square plus a plus bi equal to 0 is given. You have to find first of all the value of a and b, and then you have to find the A inverse. Means again you have to use the equation to find the A inverse. So again you put 0 के equal given है. तो a square means a into a. You know how to find the product. Product आपको find करना आता है. This replace a square, a, I. Add these 3. You know how to add the matrices. First of all multiply this matrix by a, multiply this matrix by a, and add it. You know how to add it in the matrices. Null matrix means this is 0 0 0 0 like this. This is 0 0 0. Null matrix है. This is a null matrix. Now equated, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. You are getting how many equations? You are getting 4 equations. Solve these to find the value of A and B. You are getting A as minus 4 and B is 1. You put it here. यहाँ रखिए आप A की वैल्यू और b की वैल्यू जो भी आई है -4 and 1. ये आ गया हमारे पास. इसको 1 में रखने पर, I have written it here, 1 पे रखने पर you are getting this here. Now what you have got? A square minus 4a plus I. Now you have to use this equation to find A inverse. Again same method. Either you take identity to the right hand side and main step is you have to multiply both side by A inverse. तो वही a into this a square, a into a inverse, a into a inverse, and right hand side I into a inverse. A into a inverse is I, a into a inverse is I, and I into a inverse is a inverse. A into I a, तो a का वैल्यू हमें पता है, 4i आपको पता ही है, 4004. Subtract this and this is the A inverse. So this is the very important questions to find the equation of a inverse by using the given equation. We'll discuss the remaining questions of this exercise in the next lecture. Thank you.